China has achieved high-level opening up over the past year.
Cross-border e-commerce is facilitated by China-Europe Railway Express.
The China-Laos Railway began operations in December 2021. In January 2022, the oil terminal in the port of Mombasa, Kenya, constructed by China Communications Construction Company and one of the flagship projects of China-Kenya cooperation, was completed. In 2021, China's foreign trade exceeded $6 trillion for the first time, and the country's GDP increased by 8.1% year-on-year. China's imports and exports with ASEAN, the European Union, and the United States continue to grow. The value of imports and exports between China and the RCEP countries amounted to $12.07 trillion, a year-on-year growth of 18.1%. A major Bay Area in the world, the Greater Bay Area greatly facilitated the flows of personnel, logistics, capital, and information among Guangdong Province, Hong Kong, and Macau. Pudong New Area achieved high-level opening up and has engaged in trade with over 95% of countries and regions in the world. The 11 key parks of Hainan Free Trade Port generated 1.16 trillion yuan in revenue and paid 53.87 billion yuan in taxes. More than 2,900 companies from 127 countries and regions participated in the 4th China International Import Expo, inking deals worth $70.72 billion. China has successfully held the China International Fair for Trade in Services, the China Import and Export Fair, the China International Consumer Products Expo, and the World Internet Conference Wuzhen Summit, offering great opportunities for businesses across the world to take the fast train of China's development. Together for a shared future, in 2022, the Olympic cauldron has been lit once again in Beijing, marking the solidarity of the international community.
中国开放的大门不会关闭，只会越开越大。